Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the language on Pixverse AI. In order to do so, first off we're going to go to app.pixverse.ai, make sure that we're logged in. And if you look at the top right hand corner, you'll find the account icon, and then from here, if you select user info, then you are not going to find any information related to changing the language. The reason being is because you need to change the language in the browser itself. Every browser is a little bit different, but as far as Chrome goes, you're looking for the three little buttons at the three little dots up at the top right hand corner. If you click on that, then you'll see here that towards the bottom you have the option here that says translate. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then from here you can see that the detected language is English. If we want to update that, we're going to click the three little dots here, and then here we're going to choose another language. From the menu that shows up, you can click that and you will see here that you have a variety of languages to choose from. You could choose whichever one is the one that you're looking for, and then you'll see that the button here switches to translate. You can go ahead and click that, and there you have it. Now your language is changed, so you can see here that the language has changed there. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.